Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kumba julek manau snem kenang ban gentiu ya kajing ilek kai sport bat ban penroi pura naga benta kajing ko jing khia hakamet bat kajing mut jing perkhat ban tei ya kajing long bat ban hikai ya kajing tbet gi bakong san ha kajing im kum kajing trailang kajing long renti bat kajing minon ka Sunshine Secondary School ka badon ha Omran Dairy Ribhoi District kala play perda ya ka inter-house sports meet. Ya gani ka inter-house sports meet ka banne lai sngi lenter kata hado ka sngi tho dieng ka khat artarik uyayong arajar arpusan lasdang henne ka sngi ka khandai tarik uyayong arajar arpusan. Usam larang ba David Lengdo ulalong ukongsan ha gani ka sngi ha ka bala penya ya ka jinyalang sedang dai Miss Shanti Mary Wardkar bala ya ka welcome speech dai Miss Deya Pishisha Walang. Ki jingila kai hakani kesngi ki kintup ya ki jingya mare spoon race, sack race, relay, balancing, but football. Ki bagi kena junior but senior boys and girls. Kila yashim benta shirham.
We can see in the banner it was written that the year of establishment of the school it was 1982. So. It already, we can say that the school had been, traveling with the 40 kids, more than 40 kids. So I'm very happy to be a part of this sports meet of your beautiful school. I really want to appreciate the faculty and the teaching staff of this beautiful school and our dear beloved students. So, to be a part of this kind of meet, sports meet, you might gone lots of practice and lots of difficulty, and you face lots of trial. But in sports, there will be win and lose. So there will be a competition that everybody should have in mind that we have to win it, right? It'll be great for you to participate and also to go further in sport. Sports is nowadays is a lifestyle of our day-to-day life. Without it, we can go further in our future. As a student of this school, you might thinking that I will participate only in this part of this arena, but I will encourage you that sport will be a part of human life each and every day. Because without this sports, we can achieve our goal and we succeed whatever we do. So I would like to encourage you, dear beloved students, and yes, Miss have told me that there will be there also a section of Khasi section and the English section. So there are both two of sections that you guys have to be that you need to perform carefully, because without that you can go further. So I'm here to encourage you once again, and I believe that those who do well will win it. So may the Lord bless you, and may the Lord be with you and give you and grant you a good health. And thank you so much.